Oh, it's crazy.
Get back here. We'll be able to see where it turns.
Yeah, oh, it goes the other way.
Turns in.
Wow, that's really cool. Oh, here we go. Yep, stick it in there. Oh. Experts.
However,
Experts.
Turn over here and look how far up we have to go.
Man, it's like, that's steep.
Honey wants to go bungee.
No, you are not getting out of this thing.
No, I got you.
So this is Natural Tunnel State Park in Virginia. We were able to drive over here today and visit with some friends, and wow, check this out. That is really cool. We're taking a chairlift down to the natural tunnel.
That one, you just go
I
down.
was like, I hope this thing is attached well, because if not, we're gonna be sliding.
Yeah. If it's fine, just so you can come
And that is so crazy, man. Wow. It's definitely worth the chairlift.
Chairlift was cool, right?
Well, it's definitely going to be worth it on the way back up.
Amen.
That's
We'll
what I
have to walk up
said.
that mountain.
Yeah.
I guess this is Natural Tunnel State Park, and there's a giant tunnel, apparently, that's a natural tunnel that has railroad tracks through it. So that's the draw.
Right.
Yeah. So we're,
Twice a day, but he doesn't know if it already came because he just got here.
well, we might miss the train, but we'll see. 500 feet. Please stay on the boardwalk. Let's go. Do what?
The actual Lover's Leap.
The actual Lover's Leap.
Right there.
What? The legendary Lover's Leap of Native American Indian lore.
Oh, goodness.
That's crazy.
It's like in a bowl. It's like really cool.
It is. It's like, for sure, like a bowl. Wow, that's really cool.
That's way cool.
Train track.
What's fun?
Well, if I hadn't lost my drone at the foot of a glacier, this would be a great place to fly down that tunnel, but...
Have we started to go find me for the drone yet?
Yeah, we're... right. I'm gonna get a new one before this trip. But mine's resting at the Worthington Glacier.
Still
So,
taking pictures.
still taking pictures. That is pretty cool. Huh. I bet it looks just as cool from up there. Virginia. Who would have known?
This is really something.
It is really cool.
I mean, I thought it'd be like, oh yeah.
I wonder how far. So you just go to the overlook.
It's more fun than I thought.
Let's go and hop the tracks. Wow, the river feels good though. There's a breeze coming off the river down here. That's pretty amazing. Natural Tunnel State Park. It's pretty awesome. Everybody, this is Elliot. We went to hang out with Barb and Ken, and Elliot's one of our subscribers. So we got to meet him and hang out as well. Is it all right if you're on a video, Elliot? Cool. Here at Natural Tunnel State Park in Virginia. But it says no trespassing. So head on in there and tell us what you see.
As you're running.
As you run away from the train.
Arms in your head.
Yep, got it.
Good right
Off we go.
Go ahead, step up to the arm.
So you can actually walk down the whole way if you want to. I don't know how long it would take, but I think there's probably a lot of steps. You can see part of the path right there. Much easier to take the chairlift down And but you know, it would be a good
It's only $5, so.
for the chairlift.
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool. You can see the train track down there, real quick, and that's more of the path that would wind down to get you back up to the top. But this part right here is steep, man. It's worth the $5 wholeheartedly.
See the layout?
Hey Mel, did you see
How deep it is?
How deep?
on flowers on campus?
Oh, that's crazy.
Well, that's really cool. So we were trying to figure out.
Oh, that's the area?
So we walked down the chairlift. We were in this little area here.
Oh, okay.
So this is the big tunnel, you know, and then the one that we stood on top of was the little tunnel.
Well, that's pretty creepy.
We walked where?
This is where we were.
We were like, there's the
Oh.
that's the small tunnel, that's the big tunnel. So
This is the other
we were
one.
over there on the other side of the train tracks.
And that's the other end of it over here.